If your vehicle is made in the last 5 years and the check engine light comes on, I'll highly suggest you take it to the dealer. Here is why. We have this 2021 Blazer. Customer state check engine light comes on. You take it to Firestone, you have the P1467. They replace the evap canister and the code still there. So this is the reason why you take it to the dealer, because it's a known issue on those vehicles since they come out that GM issued the bulletin a special coverage up to 150,000 miles for 10 years, 150,000 miles. Whenever you have that code, you take it to the dealer. We'll look at it, diagnose it, and replace it under the special policy to replace it, because it's a known issue on those vehicles. Please take your car to the dealer. Don't take it to independent shop and they don't really have any idea about the vehicle. Just take it to the dealer and they'll know what to do. And in case you guys didn't know, here is the evap purge pump. Those things fails a lot, and I think that special coverage is on the Silverado too. The Silverado with the 2.7 liter turbo, they have the same problem. They fail a lot. I've replaced a lot of them. I think that's a 1.3 liter engine, and on the 1.2 the evap purge pump is located right there. So if you have a P1467 code, you will know what to do. You got 10 years to cover it. So thanks for watching, guys.